Lindsay again with Skilled Hands TV. I had a job at a home last week, and before I could even reach the kitchen, the smell, it was horrible. And you know what it was? The garbage disposal. Most people don't know this, but you can fix this yourself in under 5 minutes with stuff you already have in your kitchen. Hold tight and I'll show you how. If your sink stinks, it's not because something is broken. It's because no one has ever taught you the proper way to clean your disposal. And that's exactly why Skilled Hands TV exists. Here's all you need: a measuring cup, vinegar, baking soda, a measuring spoon, a spatula, and lemon slices. First, you want to run hot water for 1 minute to loosen up the gunk. You want half a cup of baking soda. Then a cup of vinegar. Pour it into the disposal with the baking soda and watch it fizzle. That's science at work for you. Finally, toss in some ice. Some lemon peels. And turn on the disposal. Ice scrapes off the residue, and the lemon, you can smell it. No tools, no cost, and no plumber. Just knowledge. And that's why I started Skilled Hands TV, to pass on the type of skills that we used to take for granted. If this helped you, hit subscribe and pass this on to someone else who might have a smelly kitchen.